Habazi. Good day, Sir Jabin. I am Antoinette Diaz Napal Cruz from Bitivited 111A. And this video is about the reflection activity of our discussion on ethics class on human activity, human action versus acts of man. And the content of this video is to answer the question, how do human acts affect relationships and society? So again, human acts is actions performed with full knowledge and free will. So every day we act from the moment we wake up and until we fall asleep. So some actions are intentional and not all actions can be judged morally. So for the example that Sir has given us, the one action is an accident while the other is a conscious choice. So for example, if you spilled a glass of water on the floor, it's not intentional because it was an accident. But if because you are angry to someone and you spill the glass of water to that person, so that is intentional. So again, human acts are involving knowledge, freedom, and deliberation. And through ethics, again, it is our character formation and it is built up on a daily basis. And it helps us understand the ethical responsibility behind the actions that we are doing. Because, again, we are responsible of the actions that we do. And through human acts, we can apply this knowledge to our character formation. Knowing the key elements, these are knowledge, you are aware of the action, your freedom, the voluntary decision, and deliberation, or it is rational thinking. So, for example, of human acts are choosing to help someone in need, studying for an exam, donating to charity, deciding to apologize after making a mistake. And one thing that Sir Jabin has instilled in me as a student is that wala mo nag-practice pagkatambay but nag-practice mo na pagka-maestra. So of course, as students, our students and future teachers, our uh, purpose is for us to practice being teachers. So we have to study, we have to interact with one another, and in the same way, our actions right now or the actions that we make today, it will shape personal character and community values. So to answer the question, how does human actions affect relationships and society? It will affect relationships in a way how we interact with others, unsa atong kinaiya sa kanang nga tawo, makaapek na siya kung unsa ilahang pagtan-aw nato, unsa ang ato ang pag express sa ato ang kinaiya sa ilaha and unsa pod ilahang pagbaw sa ato aso. Our moral responsibility depends on the intention. So depende kung unsa atong intention sa mabuhat anang abutang and awareness behind sa atong actions kung kabaw taon sa atong gipangbuhat. So again, ang ingon ni Sir is buhat ka sa nagpakahimo nimong tao. So ang paghunahuna para walay may tabo nga mahay ikahuman. So muna atong gitawag nga regret. So naagyo na sa ulahi ang pagmahay kung dili ta maghunahuna. So kung unsa nga batasan imong i-develop isip taw, makaapekto gud siya sa society. Kay again, no man is an island. And ang gi-share po ni Sir nga we are called to contribute what we are capable of giving to the society. So follow your own design, imong purpose nganong naa kaani nga kalibutan. And again, ang human acts kay voluntary but with moral responsibility. So naay consequence after gibuhat nimo, naay result, na siya effect. So again, make better ethical decisions and be a person who gives light to others and become the best version of yourself, better version of yourself every day. So that's it for my reflection of this activity. I enjoyed listening to the discussion and I natanong good sa akong heart. Thank you, Sir Jabin, and God bless you more.